Okay, so assuming you've got that more or less right, the next step is to sound the fifth string. So there's a rhythm, we call it a Nashville shuffle, or the bum-titty shuffle, or I use the term blackberry. So it's 1, 2 and 1, 2 and that's the kind of like the default rhythm for American old time music. It's 1, then do the same thing again, 2, and then and 1, 2, and. So the first time your thumb comes down, it doesn't do anything except just rests on the fifth string. It's not a big pluck like that. All you have to do is just maybe roll the hand slightly, get a little bit of flesh under the fifth string and just take it away. So it's almost like opening and closing the hand like that. You can just do this as an exercise on its own. And then just bring this in first. But remember, it's not like that with the movement from the elbow, yeah, and certainly not from the shoulder. It's from the wrist. A little bit of forearm movement, it's fine, but it's really going back to that looseness. Because what you're doing is you're throwing your hand at the strings, which is a very strange way of playing a stringed instrument. Apart from something like, I don't know, slap bass or something. That's the only other thing I can think of which has that same kind of stroke. You want to do that hundreds or thousands of times until it's absolutely natural. You don't even have to think about it.